Thank you so much.
Let's maybe
See if we can get this very exciting thing up here on the table. Has the timer started?
already.
Okay, then we start. In a few seconds. Okay, let's go. Hi everyone, my name is Filip. It's great to be here, and we have something really exciting to show you here right now in a few minutes. So pay attention. But before we do that, I want to ask all of you a question. Do you know what is the most drunk beverage in the world after water? Anyone? Tea. Correct. Amazing. 5 points. It's tea. And what we do at BRU is that we will create a new standard in tea. Similar how Nespresso became a standard in coffee, we will be in the tea category. But, big but, we don't use any capsules or pods. Because what we want to do is to help drive the tea industry towards a more sustainable future. Did you know that only in the UK, more than 3,500 tons of CO2 is wasted every day because people heat up more water than they need when they do their tea? According to the Energy Saving Trust, 95% of people heat their kettle every day. 40% heat it several times per day. And they heat more water than they need, which is a huge waste. And this is only for the UK, so just imagine how much we could save if people only heat what they need on a global scale.
Thank you very much, Filip. My name is Bogdan. I'm a passionate tea drinker, engineer, and co-founder of BRU. And at BRU, we're on a mission to provide the best tea making and drinking experience for the tea drinkers of today and of the future. And to do this, we need to add convenience, consistency, and sustainability to the world of tea preparation. And we do this by providing a solution which is a tea maker or a tea brewing device or an infusion maker, which I will show you in a second, because this device gives you the option or the opportunity to make any tea you like or infusion at the push of a button, but without any capsules or pods, so you can still use any tea that you have already at your home. And right now I will prepare a little bit of our black tea, because we will also sell tea, of course, on a also subscription model, but so now we have black tea inside. And right now, the only thing that I need to do right now is pushing this button, and that's it. The machine will do everything for me. It will take care of the brewing time, the water temperature, and also the water amount. And those things you can configure individually. You can use presets if you like. But the idea is that the machine makes the tea for you, serves it into your cup, and you don't need to do anything else than enjoying the tea. Yeah, maybe you hear something, maybe not, because our machine is also super silent, so you can make a cup of fresh tea while having a Zoom call. And yeah, we have also additional features and functions like a cold tea, so the tea will be served in a ready-to-drink temperature, and also an alarm mode, so you can have your tea already ready in the morning. But yeah, happy to cover that at our stand at the Hall A bit later if you like. Back to you, Filip.
Thank you. So while the tea is preparing, I will talk a little bit about the market. So the global tea market is valued at more than 55 billion Swiss francs, and the market for tea preparation devices, 16 billion Swiss francs. And both these markets are growing very fast. It's growing faster than coffee. Already in some markets, it has overtaken coffee, actually. And you might have heard recently about Unilever selling off their tea portfolio, 4.5 billion euros. If I may be a little bit bold here and say that most of that portfolio were cheaper tea brands in tea bags. But what is really driving the growth in tea are the premium teas. And the premium teas are more sensitive and really need to be prepared the right way, with the right temperature, the right water amount, and the right steeping time. So Bogdan, back to you. Why hasn't anyone been able to leverage this opportunity before?
Well, are we the first one who have tried to make a tea machine? Not at all. But we are the first one who cracked the code, as we say, because we designed this solution from a tea drinker perspective, so from a consumer perspective. if you as a tea drinker look for existing solutions, let's call it tea making devices, you will identify that they are either not convenient because still many steps needs to be done to make your tea, or they are not easy to clean because cleaning is super important, or they try to force you to use tea capsules, right? To use tea from a particular supplier, and tea capsules, this is something that a tea drinker, it's a no-go for a tea drinker, I would say. And there are also machines that are a little bit more convenient, but they are just not designed to make you spontaneously a cup of fresh tea whenever you like. And I'm talking about those kettles with a sieve, right? I mean, it goes a little bit in the direction of a tea machine, but it's still far away from what we have here. And our competitive advantage is actually that we are using some technology which is patented, also patent granted, and we overcome the obstacles which other companies could not. And we have also a little bit of traction. We did a pre-sales campaign on Kickstarter and Indiegogo. We sold a little bit more than 9,500 machines already, generated a bit more than 1.3 million Swiss francs. And this pre-sales gave us also great insights why the people pre-ordered this machine, why they want to buy it. And we asked almost 10,000 people, why have you ordered this machine? And the main answer was, I like to drink tea, but I don't like to make it. And that's exactly why we are here.
Okay, but let's be honest. It's difficult to sell a hardware product today. It's difficult to make it into an interesting business case. That is why we have also developed our own app that is connected to the machine. And for our customers, this will provide additional value with the other cool features on how to prepare your tea or store settings, for example, and much more. But for us, it provides the best consumer insights you could ever get. We will know what kind of tea they drink, how frequently, how much, what time of day, and much more. And we will use these insights to sell our very profitable tea portfolio. And the tea was ready, just on point.
Yeah, perfect timing. So, as you saw, the tea is now served, you can drink it, and I as a customer, I don't need to do anything. I don't need to care about the used tea, I don't need to clean anything. Even if I want to have now another, because that's a black tea, right? If I want to have green tea, for example, you can exchange just one part here. I mean, by exchanging, you put it out and put another one in, and that's it. And as Filip mentioned, that's also a little bit of a premiere for us, because until today we were using 3D printed prototypes on different development stages. Sometimes they worked, sometimes not. But this here is actually the first pre-production product, so it's not a 3D printed, it's a real product. We are in the final product finalization stage. We plan to set up the production in Q1 and start with the first shipments in Q2 next year. So, and now let's talk about the main reason why we are here. We have a great team in place. We have a lot of experts and advisors from all needed fields, which is manufacturing, fulfillment, certification. We have great tea experts as well. They help us with developing our own tea brand, our own tea line, and also how to communicate, how to prepare the teas in the right way. We also have some business angels already on board. We have conversations going on with some really big names in the industry already, in the small domestic appliance industry. But we want to start this journey by ourselves, and that's why we are looking for 1.5 million Swiss francs to start all sales, start the sale of our tea, accelerate our growth, and become even more interesting for the big guys in the industry. Thank you very much.